Hey guys, Richard here. Hey, in this video we're going to talk about the Meet One and share some important information with you because they just came out with something spectacular that a lot of you are going to like. Let's get into the video. All right, many of you have been seeing my videos recently about the new Meet One trike. This is an incredible piece of machinery. I've made a few videos out there riding it, a couple of short videos talking about it. Some of you have been asking, hey, what's your relationship with Meet One? Well, my relationship with Meet One is that I'm simply a YouTube influencer. But I'm really getting behind this brand because of the amazing quality. And not only was it built with amazing quality, they stand behind their brand because they offer you a 5-year warranty. So it's something that is just, you just don't see that in the e-bike market these days. So 5-year warranty, incredible machine here. And I tell you what, they've really got something special going on, and that's why I'm excited about it. That's why I'm talking about it so much. But here's the thing. You know, this is the first model they came out with, and it's a dual motor, dual battery, full suspension, 25 miles per hour maximum speed, torque sensor, just incredible what they got going on here. But you know what? They just came out with something else that a lot of people are going to like, and that is they just introduced a Lite model. So now you have the Tour, which I have, and they have a Tour Lite that they just came out with. It's on the website now. Go check it out. Follow the link. And what it is you're going to save, I don't know, about $800 on the cost of this thing because you do not have a front hub motor like this one does. So instead of a dual motor, you have a single motor in the rear. And instead of 2 batteries like I have here, right there and right there, you're only going to get 1 battery. But it's going to be equipped, so if you want to buy a second battery later on, you can do that. But they're doing that to make the initial cost a lot more affordable for a lot more people. And I'm telling you, everyone who has laid eyes on this, everyone that I have let test ride it so far, love it. They just absolutely love this machine. It does not compare with anything else that I have had on this channel. It doesn't compare with anything that I currently have in the garage because it is just that good. It really is. For those of you who are been on my channel for a while, you know I don't overhype. You know I'm honest with my reviews. I tell you the things I like, tell you the things I don't like. And quite honestly, there's not much here that I don't like about this trike. Yeah, everything about it is just good quality. There's one thing that I noticed right out of the box that I said, that's a little different. But that's right here. This bag, although it's a really nice bag, let me open it up and show you. It's just a little flimsy in the material. I mean, it's nice. It's kind of got that rubbery insulation type stuff, but it's just really kind of, and you see it kind of sags, and I think that could have been done a little bit better, just a little bit. Guys, if that's all I have to complain about, there is not much to complain about with this. Yeah, because even that bag is fine. There is nothing wrong with that bag. I'm just saying that's probably the closest thing I've come to so far that I just don't care for. So if you're interested in this, follow the link down below. Ask me questions. I'm happy to answer your questions. And more importantly, if you are in Florida and you want to come test ride this one with me right here, you're invited to do that. Yeah, all you got to do is reach out to Meet One, or you can reach out to me. I've got a new website I just launched called FloridaEBikeAdventures.com. Go check it out. You can contact me there, schedule an appointment, and you can come check this out. Guys, that's going to be it for this video. Make sure you follow the link down below. I'll see you in another video real soon. Ride responsibly, ride safe.